guys, so I kind of did like this sunset shot with my drone, so here it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed the drone shot. Let's see what's up next.
Ooh, Yanas is getting that! What?
Man, what are you doing? Yay! Buy my merch! I'm joking. I was recording. So it's past the lunar eclipse. Hi, Bella.
Did you see the one?
No.
I slept through it.
I stepped through the lunar eclipse. So we have an air horn, which is in Rihanna's there. And we're gonna try and scare Skylar, which is biking around here. He'll come back any second. So yeah. So, oh hey Elijah, you need to be more in my videos. Skylar, Rihanna has something to give you actually. So.
Hey! Hey! Oh, do that again. Do it over there. I like to kill my ears. Ah! Can I try?
No.
No.
Ah, switch it now. No more.
Like that, when felt like I died.
How about you, Elijah?
He did.
You died?
Yep.
You got scared.
You're up the hill.
You were so far. So it's the day after the lunar eclipse. I missed it. I was fully asleep. The total eclipse was at like 3:29 in the morning. Right now it's 10 p.m. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Well, at least there's a full moon. Yo guys, I'm just uploading a video. And I've been hearing this noise run. Oh. So I've been uploading a video. I was doing like a gaming channel. If you want to follow, if you want to see this video, go to Chris Papa Productions. No, that's this channel. Go to Chris Tech _ for life. To see this video actually. To see this video. 30 more minutes. Okay. Yeah. Guys, I don't you don't see me. It's like sunset. But I'm actually gonna redo that gaming video. Let's see. I'm gonna redo that gaming video next weekend. Probably. So yeah. It's the end of the vlog. Bye.